Operation Silver Kaiju. Turn 2, this is Panzer George, Japan. So we are going to do our build first, 49 IPCs, which is 1 transport, 1 factory, 2 artillery, 6 infantry, and 4 IPCs for our tech. So for our battles, we've got them indicated below. So let's do the ones in China first. So what we're going to do is from Shanxi, we're going to send 1 infantry to Kansu, and from Shanxi, we're going to send our mech to Kansu. We're going to send our tactical and our fighter from Shanxi into Kansu, and that'll leave 2 movement left. And then our 3 infantry from Shanxi are going to move into Sichuan plus the artillery. And then from Hunan, we're going to be moving in 3 infantry and 1 artillery to Hopei. And then from Hunan, we're going to be sending in 1 infantry to take Guangxi. And then the rest of them, 3 infantry and artillery, are going to go into Quichao, including the mech. And then we're going to invade from P-39. We're going to land 2 troops to attack that North Indochina with the Chinese cavalry. As well, we're going to be off the Sea of Japan. We're going to be picking up 1 tank and 1 infantry and moving that down 1, 2, 3, and going into North Indochina as well. And then we're going to be taking this transport, air transport, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and landing 2 more paratroopers in there. So that allows us, that transport bomber has 2 left. And then the fighters and the tactical from the carriers are going to be flying in, all of them. So they're going to have, that's just 1 movement. So they're going to have 3 left. I'm not going to try and pile them all in. I'm just going to put this marker by the carriers to let you know that they're flying into North Indochina. And let's double check to make sure I've got all my combats done. I've got a fighter. Okay, hold on. There's some fighters. So I've got this Sichuan, so I'm going to go, I'm going to send 2 tacticals. 1, 2, 3, and 2 tacticals, and 1 fighter into Sichuan. So that's 1, 2, 3, and I have 1 movement left for them. And I'll make it 3 tacticals because I think I have some use for that that fighter somewhere else. Okay, so now we're going to do our combats. So the first one we're going to do is Kangsu. Kangsu is 1 Chinese infantry. I have an infantry and a tactical and a fighter and a fighter and supporting a tactical. Need to get 1 hit. So we do get the 1 hit from the infantry. The next one is Sichuan. So we have 2 Chinese infantry. We have 3 tacticals coming in. We got an infantry and artillery paired, and we got 2 unsupported infantry. So we're going to do that one. We need to get 2 hits, and we just get 2 hits, and the Chinese fire back, and the Chinese miss. The last one is North Indochina. So we have 5 unsupported infantry. We have a tank. And we have the 2 fighters and the 2 tacticals coming from the carriers. So we're going to roll that. We need 1 hit. So we get 1 hit. And they get to fire back. And they get 1 hit. Okay, so now we land our fighters. So the ones in Sichuan, we have one movement left. So we're going to go to Shenxi. So the 3 tacticals in Shenxi. And then the 2 that attack Kensu have 2 movement. They're going to move to Honan. And then the transport that was in North Indochina is going to move to Hunan. And then all the fighters are going to land on the carriers. The carriers are going to move down to P48, so they'll have a movement 1, 2, 3. So that we're moving all the way down to P48. Along with the 2 battleships, the cruiser, destroyer, and submarine. Now these 4 transports are going to move up to Okinawa. I'm going to send a destroyer up there. I'm going to leave a cruiser and a destroyer here. I'll just leave a cruiser there off Hainan, P39. And anything else? Oh yes, so these transport bombers are going to fly back to Japan. The infantry in Shenxi is going to move to Shenxi. Just make sure I've got everything accounted for. The units in Anhui are going to be moving into Hunan. So that's 4 infantry and 2 artillery. So they're in there. And actually what I'm going to do is that fighter from Manchuria is going to move to Okinawa, and that destroyer is going to go down to Hainan. Okay. And I think that's it. So now I'm going to put on my reinforcements. So I have a transport that's going to go in Sea of Japan. I have 6 infantry, which is going to join the 1 infantry that's already there. I have a factory that's going to go in Kiangsu. 2 artillery that's going to go in Japan. So now I'll do disposition of forces. So in North Indochina, I've got 4 infantry and 1 tank. In Guangxi, I have 1 infantry. I'll put my tokens in as I do it. Quichao, I've got 3 infantry and artillery and a mech. And stage 1, I've got 3 infantry and an artillery. That's in stage 1. In Kaiju, I've got a mech and an infantry. In Shensi, I've got 2 infantry and 3 tacticals. Hopei, I've got 3 infantry and an artillery. Hunan, I've got a tactical and a fighter. Kangsu, I've got a fighter. In Fukien, I've got 4 fighters and a tactical. In Okinawa, I have 1 fighter and I have 4 transports in P-22. Manchuria, I got 7 infantry and 1 AA. Sea of Japan, I've got 1 transport. Japan, I've got 2 bombers, 4 artillery, 7 infantry, 3 AA. Iwo Jima, I have 1 infantry. Taiwan, I have 1 infantry. And I think I've covered everything. So let's go to IPC count. So for turn 3, I have a base of 29. And then I add all these territories for China. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 39 plus 15 for the U.S. steel and oil. So that makes it 54 for next turn. Thank you very much.